supplies I'm using. I have liquid chalk marker to do what I did here. Kind of did a rough sketch first, just so that I can get the shapes right and have a direction to go in. So I kind of did this, and you know, I wrote this should be taller. Do these to scale. I cut out the ZZ plant. Maybe I'll stick it in depending on how it looks at the end. Here are the paints that I'm using. This is a Delta Creative pack. I got this from Target. This is the new Classics pack. It has some nice greens in there and even blue tones maybe I might use. Brown. I also got this one, which is the floral pack, a little bit more milky kind of tones, and it's got some black in there and white. These are mainly what I'm going to use. I do have this maybe for some highlights, I'm thinking. My idea is to have a lot of variety here. This is my plaid little Christmas colors. I'm at my daughter's house, and it's really cool to have these type of little pot paints here so that you don't want to lug around 2-ounce bottles or more of paint. So I'm not a professional and I don't really care about being one, so no. I just want it to look nice. This is a nice set I got from Ollie's, and of course, you know, we need like kind of a little mixing pot maybe. We'll see how that works too. Okay, so I'm gonna get painting. And I do feel like I should say like what I have, what plants I'm highlighting here. And I have a monstera, of course. There's a fern, spider plant, some pothos up there, and a snake plant. Snake spider, fern, monstera, pothos. And the one that's missing is the ZZ plant. It might go up in here. It might go here or here. We'll see. This is what we have so far.